Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide desktop icons if you want to need clean desktop screen without any icon. So there is easy and super easy method. Right click anywhere, over cursor to view, then here you will see option show desktop icons. So uncheck this option. That's it. So as we can see, this screen is clear, no any icon you can see. If you want to unhide, so again right click on view and click on show desktop icons. And that's it. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.